guys had a lot of questions on Ghost, how it works, how do I get set up, everything like that. I have a lot of videos coming out to prep for the launch on February 1 to lifetime members. And then this rolls out to everybody else on March 1st. But I'm going to walk you through today the setup wizard and the AI chatbot assistant that's built into Ghost that has every single detail about Ghost built into it. So it is actually smarter than me. It's smarter than you. It knows Ghost better than literally anyone, and it's going to be your right hand man when it comes to getting set up. In addition to that, if you hit a roadblock and the Ghost AI platform is just simply not helping you out, there's a safe fall in there that it will immediately ping me on my cell phone and on my email and let me know, hey, this user has been working on this issue for 17 minutes, let's say, and they need your assistance. I can hop in and immediately take over and figure out how to get you working on Ghost. I did say, however, in our Discord, it's for urgent matters. Like, I can't get my account connected. Not how many contracts of MGC should I trade in the Asia Gold session? That's not an urgent matter. But if you can't get access to your account, that's pretty urgent. We need to get you going, and Ghost AI will ping me and let me know that my help is needed. So let me walk you through what the setup wizard looks like and the Ghost AI support bot so you can have a really quick overview of how you're going to get started on Ghost on February 1 for lifetime members. So when you guys first get logged into Ghost, this is what you're going to see. The minute you actually click the Ghost button, the metadata is going to pick up that you have access and you've never completed the setup wizard before, and it's going to start walking you through it. So this is what you see. Step 1 of 5. Welcome to Ghost. It's automated execution, it has risk protection, and it's instant execution. Your plan right here is Ghost Unlimited because you're a lifetime member and you get unlimited tickers, and you simply click Let's Get Started. You then get to connect your broker. You can connect Tradovate or Apex or Alpha Futures or anybody who uses Tradovate. If that's the platform that you trade on through your prop firm, you just simply click here and it pops up in OAuth and you just click Connect with Tradovate and it looks like this. Brings you right in to your Tradovate account. You authorize everything through here and you simply click login. I'm going to go back so I can show you what the other one looks like, but you understand the simple login process here through Tradovate. The next one is Project X, which is TopStep. And just for clarity, TopStep allows 100% automation, whether you are in your evaluation stage or in a funded account. TopStep doesn't care. It's direct on their website. Let me show you. Right here, can automated strategies be used in the trading combine and funded account? Automated strategies can be used in the trading combine and funded accounts, but there are a few disclaimers and tips to be aware of. TopStep can assist in setting up your strategies. So basically, TopStep's not going to help you with anything bot related, but they allow it. There's nothing in here, and I've read through all of the prohibited conduct, the do's and don'ts, everything. There's nothing in here that says you can't use a trading bot. This one right here is basically saying you can't use a trading bot to take advantage of the simulated environment delays by trying to quick scalp like in microseconds. That's what these say. There's nothing that says Ghost cannot be used. So you click Project X, and then right here, this is what you need to do. Project X themselves charges per user to have access to your API key. It's $25 a month. This isn't a fee to me, it's Project X. If you want to use your TopStep account, you have to go to projectx.com, register for an API key, $25 a month, and then here you enter in your email address for your TopStep account and then the API key that TopStep and Project X give you. Again, it's not my fee. I can't afford to pay it for every single person who has a TopStep account, so that is on you. Enter in your email, enter in your API key, click test connection when those are there, and it will connect to your account. I've done it, it works, and I'm trading on it. But let's keep going with the Tradovate setup. You get in right here and you simply click login. You can see right here it says connected successfully, and then you just click continue. The next screen is what tickers do you want to trade? You can change this at any time, but to at least get started, you need to pick. So I'm going to pick MGC, MNQ, and let's say MYM. I then click continue. I can set my max daily loss limit. I'm just going to put mine at 1,000. Ghost stops if it loses $1,000. It's not going to lose any more than that, and it's going to turn off until you authorize it again. Demo mode simulated, I just leave it checked. You can go live mode, whatever. This is up to you. Whatever you're trading, whatever account you synced, this is your preference, your call. You click review. It tells you that you have your broker connected, your tickers connected, your max daily loss, and then you simply click activate Ghost. is activated, it's ready to go. And then right here, you have AI support. And then down here in the bottom, even as you're going through the setup wizard, you have Ghost AI support. So you can then click these quick keys here, connect broker, setup help, or order issues, and you can start communicating with the Ghost AI bot. The other thing to tell you as well is if you come into the settings, which I kind of had, but if you come into the settings on this right side, you can connect multiple accounts at a time. So you come down here, you can connect your Project X account, you can connect Tradovate, and you can also connect another Tradovate account. So with Tradovate, when you log in, you have an Apex login, and then you have an Alpha Futures login, and then you have an XYZ login. All you need to do is click this right here and add all of your Tradovate accounts with your own individual logins, since Apex is Apex, Alpha Futures is Alpha Futures, etc. And then when you have everything linked, all your accounts in, and you go into your tickers section with the ones we just set up, MGC, MNQ, and MYM, you can then select in here the copy trader, and you'd be able to select any of your accounts that you want. You can pick any of these. Of course, you can't do your PA accounts on Apex, but you can do the evals. They allow that. So you would select your eval account. And then if you have more logins, all of your other accounts are going to populate here, and you will be able to copy trade across multiple. So you could copy trade two TopStep accounts, two Apex accounts, and two Alpha Futures accounts, or whatever prop firm allows for it. I'm not saying, I don't think Alpha Futures actually allows it on automation and things like that. But one cool thing we built on QuantCrawler is if you come over to quantcrawler.com and you log in over here on prop firms, you can click this. And then when this loads in, you can see here, Apex is where I trade. They allow bots and eval only. Funded next. I also trade here. Bots allowed at all stages, whether it's an evaluation or a funded account, they allow it. Keep scrolling down. Alpha Futures, no bots. You will lose your account. Take Profit Trader, evaluation only. I've done the research on these. I know who will allow it, and the ones that weren't clear say ask about bots. You would need to either search yourself or connect directly with their support team to see if they allow it before you make those trades. My Funded Futures, bots allowed. Fivers, bots allowed. E8, allowed. TopStep, allowed. So you can see if you need to double check this, just log into quantcrawler.com, come over to prop firms, start breaking it down, and see where the automation is allowed. And then again, once you have copy trader mode selected and all of your accounts are linked right here, you then can pick which ones you want to copy trade on. Again, you can't do your performance accounts in Apex, so you would want to click these that are evaluation accounts, select your TopStep accounts, select whatever other one you have, click save changes, and then when this ticker executes, it's going to actually go through to all of those accounts with built-in copy trader. So that's the setup wizard. That's how you can add additional accounts over in the settings. The setup wizard only has you do one at a time when you're going through. It doesn't make you sit there and add every single account. It's just to get you into the platform with one account. And then the settings tab here is where you want to go to add all of your extras, and more videos coming. But this is what I'm going to show you today. This is the setup of Ghost to get you ready on February 1.